Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another presentation by Electronics India. So this is the weighing scale kit. So it is available in separate part. So this is the weighing sensor 5 kg. It comes with a pre-assembled with this acrylic chassis and HX711 A by D sense module. And this is the display module which you can purchase separately. Basically it will take the reading from HX711 and will display it accordingly. So you can actually program it as per your requirement. This is basically a STC microcontroller. So I believe 8051 kind of thing. Though there are no programming headers, but still you may be able to program it using some way. So you will also need a thin pin charger or a thin pin USB cable. So I am here using a thin pin USB charger, which is also available on our website hactronics.co.in. So actually I am not able to go through all this documentation, but the first button is actually the reset button, which will bring the counter to 0. So when you first power it on, there would be some variation. So to calibrate it, you just press this first button and it will reset it to 0. And this is actually stored in the memory. So when the next time you actually power it on, it will automatically remember it and will go into 0. So if there are actually power fluctuations, this can actually cause this flickering, or you have to actually configure it using this button. Actually I also don't know the details of how to configure it. You have to try it on your own or look online documentations about the same. But basically, like, it is zeroing display. Like I had reset it and it will just go to 0. Now you can put any weight. So like this is 23 grams, so it will display the same. So as I said, you can actually configure the flickering using the settings, like up to how much range, like what weight need to be displayed and all those things. So like this is 160 grams. So it looks to me like fairly accurate. I wish they had like some kind of serial port also, then this would actually be equivalent to this 20,000 rupees weighing scale, where you can connect it to a computer. So actually for a quick prototyping or like quick school project or college project, it's a kind of a good kit because it comes pre-assembled. You just need to connect the cable and connect the power and everything is done. And as I was saying, like if you know how to program STC microcontroller, this is again a good board, like with user input, display and serial port. So you can use it for other purpose also if you can reprogram it. Anyway, this was a brief tutorial about this HX711 base weighing scale. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.